Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for the weekly YouTube hop with the girls down under, and we are a group of scrappers from Australia and New Zealand, and we hop every week, and the idea is to highlight different things about our countries to the rest of the world. So, July, we are doing Christmas in July, and today's photo I'm doing is of our back patio, undercover patio, our back deck, with our Christmas lights up. So being hot in Australia at Christmas time, we spend a lot of time out on this deck. So we put lots and lots of fairy lights up on the deck because we have a lounge here and a big dining table here, and we eat a lot of meals out here in summer. We've got the fan above so that it keeps us a little bit cooler, and this is where we normally have our Christmas lunch, our Christmas dinner, and all through summer we basically have our dinners out here. So it's a beautiful big space and we love it, and it's just like I can't think of not having it. It's just amazing and it's so pretty. We don't put the big floodlights on or the normal lights. There's lights all the way around, like under the eaves there's down lights as well, but we don't normally put them on. We just sit there with the twinkling fairy lights, and it's really pretty. So that's what I'm scrapping today. Papers I'm using are an eclectic mix. This is an old Stampin' Up paper, I'm pretty sure, and this is a piece from, I think this is also a Stampin' Up paper, the gnomes, and this was a Christmas line, I think, I'm not sure, but I really love this paper and I wanted to pick up the blues from the photo, and I don't have much in the way of blue Christmas supplies, so this paper was ideal. I'm going to back each of them on red cardstock, and I'm going to gut the middle of them because these are the last two sheets of red that I have until I get some more. So I'm going to gut the middle of them, and one of those I'm going to use to mount the photo, back the photo. My embellishments are from Uniquely Creative. I can't remember the name of the kit. I just put it away too. But these are just red and blue because that's the theme of this particular Uniquely Creative kit. So that's perfect. I need blues for this. So I've got my embellishments here in clusters already. It's going to be quite a simple page. And then I have also the embellishments that came with that kit. Crystal Bling, it's called, from Uniquely Creative. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. I really like the blue and the red together, but it looks like I need a new blade in my trimmer because I've got a bit of fuzz down there. Yeah, and I think those papers work really well together. The little bit of blue in the ornaments, that's really cool. So, if you have liked this page, give me the thumbs up. Make sure you check out the playlist listed below in the description box for everyone else who's playing along with the Girls Down Under. If you're an Australian or New Zealander and you would like to join our group, there's also a link below for the group. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell, and so you know, sorry, words are hard, so you know when my next video comes out. Oi, oi, oi. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.